Oh shit! I didn't put my fangs. Yo, can you guys hear me? What the fuck? These Bluetooth earphones, like they went in the freaking. Alright, let's say I'm put on this big ass fangs. I didn't want to put on the big ass fangs, but I got it. Bart, did you get liquidated, bro? Pop this chat out a little bit. Bart, you didn't get liquidated, did you? On Ada. Alright, I think the sound is good. I'm fairly certain the sound is okay. Bartoodles, hello? Hello? Well, look at Vet. The airdrop happens today, so I bet it'll probably drop after that. But I told you guys that yesterday. Oh man. What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome. We're pushing out content, okay? That's what we're doing. We streamed yesterday morning. We had the podcast. I'm back this morning. I'm charged up. I'm ready to go. I got my Dawson's Creek mug. Yeah. What's up? Who do you know that's got a Dawson's Creek mug? Huh? Only me. I had this specially made from Walgreens. My family does a white elephant gift exchange every year for Christmas. Just like everybody gives each other gifts and we play games and try to steal them from each other. But actually, no, it was a Secret Santa we did a few years ago. And I got this for my brother-in-law. And I made it and everything. And it came in the mail. And I was like, I can't give this away. Like, this is the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, look at this. You got, all right, Michelle Williams, James Vanderbeek, Josh Jackson, Katie Holmes, all like 21 years old. And they're old as shit now. So good times. I got good news for you. I do. I have good news for you. I'm longing Bitcoin, guys. 76.10 and at 73.85 with leverage. You don't need more than 3 to 5x leverage. I err more towards 3. Keep stacking good trades. If it goes against you, no big deal. You'll average into your orders. If 76.10 doesn't hold, 73.85 will help average you down. They're both key levels. You'll get a good entry. You'll get a bounce. You'll make some profit. You'll take your profit, and we'll do it again. This will be the third banger BTC trade we've made in like the last 5 days, 6 days. So that is what it is. I hope everybody is having themselves a beautiful morning. If you're on the other side of the world, like John Akita Williams, and he's in Tokyo, I hope you're having yourself a good evening. Life is wonderful, you know? Life is just good. I woke up today feeling good. After this, I'm going to bike to the gym. It's about 6 miles back and forth total. Not much, but then I'm going to work out, and then I'm going to bike back. I got to get this, I gotta get this body into sexy mode, man. You know, I'm working hard. I'm working hard. Too much sitting down on my ass and looking at charts all day. Um, and a couple months ago, I looked at myself and I said, "You're sexy, but you're just not as sexy as you could be. And do you want to be average for you, or do you want to be great?" And I looked at myself and I said, "Noah, you know, I've been giving what you said a lot of thought, and I have decided I want to be great. So that's what I'm doing. Um, do BTC down first? Yeah, I will. But you have your levels 7610, 7385, 3 to 5x leverage on BitMEX, perpetual swaps, uh, and lift heavy. Yeah, the problem is with that today is that so I'm doing keto, right? And I did have a cheat meal a couple days ago. And so I have a lot of glycogen in my muscles, and the way to best get rid of that is um, time under tension. So I kind of got to do time under tension today. Lift light, many reps, negatives, shit like that. You know what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. You guys ready for this shit? I'm so excited to have you guys here. I am so excited to have you guys here. You guys are my best friends. You're my only friends. You and my dogs and my wife and my father-in-law. Those are my best friends. All right, what's up? Let's look at this shit. I'm looking at BTC, right? Looks like we've broken the 0.5 fib. So that would naturally tell us that the 382 fib is next. But we have a flattening daily 20 EMA coming up. And I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, yeah, it's got to catch there, man. And if it doesn't, we'll grab it at 73.70 and get the bounce back up to 78.74. Okay? So, or at least up to this horizontal resistance turn support, looking at 7,800, so you can grab it back up to 7,800. That'll be good profit. I mean, if you're looking at an average of, if you go the same level at 76.10 up to down to 73.70, that's a $240 difference. So we're looking at an average entry of 74.90, and then up to 7,800 as a profit taking area. We are looking at a $310 profit multiplied by 3x leverage is $930 profit multiplied by 5x leverage is what, $1,550. So that's badass profits and for a really quick trade. And then you got like no risk. You let BTC do its thing and you grab it at another spot. And then at that point we'll have, because I instructed the private group take a lot of profits on our 78.50 bids yesterday instead of break even stop for the rest. That would have been, well, yeah, within 6 days, just 3 banging ass BTC trades. And the thing is that when you buy key levels and stuff like that, you don't have to buy at the bottom to get the whole move. We have manufactured this entire move in BTC, and we will have after these 3 trades. We will have manufactured this entire move in BTC just by waiting, fucking waiting. I don't gotta capture this. Couldn't see this coming, right? I mean, you could, kind of couldn't. We got stopped out. This was a nasty candle. I said, I'm getting the fuck out of this trade. I'll let it show me the way. I didn't lose anything. And guess what? Now we're going to gain a lot. So, yeah, the levels that I'm looking at in BTC, you guys got it, right? Like, so, and that would also coincide the 76.10, like this area right here, with coming back down to test this downtrend, this yellow downtrend line breakout zone. That would, I'm going to widen this so you guys can see some shit. That probably is better for you, right? I can even make this better. Because I'm here for you. I'm here to make this a good experience for you. How's that? Who's excited? Who's excited about what I just did for you? And then on the left side, you guys can get a little look at the private group channels. You know, the content we're pushing out here. All right. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at with BTC right now, guys. We're looking at 78.70 or 76.10 and 73.80, 85 ish, right around there. Get your profits. You know what I'm saying? Get your profits, and then we'll take some profits right under 7,800. Okay, got it? We'll take some profits right under 7,800 because we're gonna de-risk. We'll set a break-even stop after that, and we'll try to let the trade breathe, but we'll lock in profits and we'll de-risk because that's what good traders do, and you guys are good traders. And then whatever happens, happens. If it wants to push out a big green dildo, that's amazing. That's awesome. If it wants to shit its pants, we'll be stopped out in profit. We will have locked in profits, and we'll take the next one. No need to be uber aggressive or anything. This will be 3 BTC trades in 5 to 6 days. And so multiply that over the course of a month. You know? So, no big deal. Daily RSI does look like it's rolling over on the daily, but there's a support line here that I haven't drawn, but that I see. I hope you see it too. And doesn't that coincide with a bounce at our levels, with it bouncing off this support line here? Isn't that what that coincides with? If you're smart, you'll probably say yes. So just a little bit more blood probably. If it bounces here, awesome, no big deal. We will we'll take the next move, or we'll line up another move. So what candlestick wise, what told me to look for a little bit for a pullback the first time in BTC? This looked like a little tweezer top, right? A little bit of a tweezer top. And when that happened, I actually messaged my lead technical admin in my private group, and I was like, dude, that's tweezer toppy. Start looking for a pullback. Looking tweezer toppy. So tweezer top's a reversal pattern. Depends on how far it goes, because you can get one that looks like this right here, and then the 20 EMA area catches it and it continues on. And that was probably caught by the 12-hour 20 EMA. So we're looking at the April 16th. Let's look at April 16th. Yep, right there. Right around there. Right by the 12-hour 20 EMA. It's actually probably caught by the 6-hour. 8 or 6 hour. If we want to see which one it touched. It touched. Did you touch it? Yeah, right there. That's probably an 8-hour perfect catch. All right, I'm going to quit being anal. He said anal. I'm loving the BTC calls. Well, thank you, Crypto Wolf. I'm loving that you love the BTC calls, and I'm loving your support. All right, so we got BTC, right? We catch the bounce. Guys, and I'm not calling like any big, gigantic moves or anything here because we're still under the 20 moving average and above, or the 200 moving average on the daily, and we're still above the 20 EMA. And they're starting to go like this, like sort of woo, like that, right? Like starting to flatten, go sideways, squeezing price, boo, like a Bollinger Band squeeze. Telling you volatility is incoming, and then we have that big vertical blue line. That's the 16th of August, and that is our decision date. Well, that's when we should get some news about the Bitcoin ETF from SolidX. So yeah, be patient. Be patient. How many people have we got in here? We got 23 people in here. We have 2 likes on the video, and I was one of them. Hurts my feelings. Hurts my feelings. Hurts my feelings. All right. What do we got? Let's look. I had a list. Here's the order of my list till its end. How's Eminem? If anybody listens to Eminem. Where's my list here? All right, we got BTC, ETH, LTC, ADA, ETC, ZRX, ICX, Oh man, this is gonna hurt. XLM, VeChain. Yeah, as of now. I actually want to look at TRX. I want to look at Polymath because Poly was added Binance, I believe. I wish we would have held, but we still made banging ass profit on Poly. It is what it is. We stopped out of Komodo yesterday, so I'm putting that off the list. I'm not interested. But we locked in profits at like 2,200, 22K sats, and then we bought in at like 18.5 and then sold at like 19.1 the rest of it. So that's a good trade. Oh yeah, we'll look at EOS. ETC next. You know what, the king of this kind of moment. I don't know who you are, okay? But I like the smiley face, and if you like the video, I'll do ETC next, okay? I'll do ETC next, and I also want to do ETC ETH. We got tricks up our sleeve. Saw somebody post this on Twitter, and I wanted to make a note to go look at it. So, but first we're gonna look at ETC BTC. She's up. If you watched the stream yesterday morning, I told you to buy ETC. Did you listen to me? Did you listen to me? Because you're in profit if you did on the BTC pair, not so much on the USD pair. I'm sorry about that, but you're up in BTC terms. And we all trade altcoins to get more BTC anyway, so unless we're trading USD pairs. But I was like, dude, and I said this at the podcast last night. Let me go to the other ETC BTC chart. I said, how many times is this thing look at how many bounces off this macro 886 fib right here. It's outside of resistance. It's just coming to retest it, like buy this shit. And well, here it is. So we'll see what happens with this flattening daily 20 EMA. But overall, like, come on, man. We still got the Coinbase pump, and this is where the price is. Easy buy. Look at the USD chart. Still within this. I told you guys, if you want to be patient, try to get it near $16, right? We're at $16.69. Oh, classic. Yeah, Ravindra. We're going to do ICX for sure. For show. We're still within kind of this pennant consolidation pattern thing on the USD chart until further notice. You can try to get it at the bottom here. 1575, you'd be lucky. And then, you know, I'd start scaling in around 1625. And ladder your orders, okay? Ladder your damn orders. And here's why. Because I put out a tweet the other day. And this tweet said, I scale into positions. I do not buy 100% at once. It allows me to average into my share of the market and move with the market. Going 100% into a coin at once is betting that your timing of the market is clairvoyant, per se. I always leave some room to average down. Okay? I always leave some room to average down. And so you'll start scaling into your orders around 1625. Put some at like 1601. That big psychological number, front run it by a penny. And then 1570 should hold. Okay? And then you'll have a nice average position. Somewhere around $16. If you buy at 1625 and 1570, it'll be somewhere around $16 is your average position, and you'll be good to go. Because if you buy only at $16, you can't guarantee it's going to get there, right? If you buy at 1625, 1626, it should get there, and then 16 front run that psychological number, okay. And then if it wants to take a third step down, and you get it at 1570. Guess what? Okay, that's $16. But if you don't put bids there and it does get there, your average is in between 1625 and 16. So like 1612, 1613, whereas it could have been even 13 cents lower. And I've preached to you guys since day one of me doing this for you. Entry is absolutely everything. And if you can average down an entry, 1%, and then the market bounces, the top of this pennant at that point is 1669. If you have or excuse me, 1697. 17 bucks. It's like almost exactly 17 bucks, like right here. If it bounces from down here to up to $17, and you have an average position of $16, you can take some profit there, okay? Like 25 to 33% profit, set a break-even stop, and then you will have locked in profit on that trade. And then whatever happens, happens. You know, you give the trade room to breathe, and you can go to jail for the next 6 years and come back, and you will not have lost money on that ETC trade. Congratulations. Active trade management and de-risking. So I'm a big fan of it. But and also, you know, um, you could take some profits up here, set a break-even stop for the rest of your original, what would total to be you've taken your original investment out, and then hold those free Ethereum Classic coins for the Coinbase pump. They're free coins. It doesn't matter if they go to zero. You wouldn't have ever lost money on them. That's another way to take profits. You build your portfolio by taking your profits, taking out the initial investment, and then leaving those coins in there. So that's how you would manage this trade, but I do want to look at the ETC ETH chart. We'll look at Poloniex because it probably has the longest. Yes, this is what I thought would be happening. That's a bull flag breakout, straight up on the daily. So you get a long flag pull. Typically, you want the flag pull to be 3 times longer than the flag itself. If it's a perfect symmetrical formation, that's what we got here. Bull flag is a series of lower highs and lower lows into key moving average support typically, like you got it on the daily 20 and then the 50, rose above, broke out, and so the target on this, guys, is typically the length of the flagpole, and this is ETC ETH, and so from where it broke out, there you go. Oh, and look where that puts us. Puts us right at 0.05. So that's almost a 30 to 33% profit. We're looking for a measured move. That's a definite bull flag breakout with any doubt. Let's look at the cloud. I want to see what the cloud says because it should. Okay, wow, holy moly, it is cloud bullish, almost. Take off the moving averages. I break out the cloud in uptrends because it can get. I don't use this 50 EMA because it can get. Okay, so it's not technically cloud bullish yet because the Kijun, which is the yellow line, which is typically your 50% dynamic fib retracement, and I'll show you why. From the bottom to the top of this move here, there we go. Where's your 50% fib retracement? Right there, right? And there's your yellow line, the Kijun, okay? So you want the Tenkan and the Kijun to be above cloud to be green, okay? Price to be above the Tenkan and the Kijun. I mean, and so we're almost there. We're not quite yet though. I'm not going to say yeah because it's already surpassed that. But we're really close to cloud bullish on the ETC ETH, and that just means Ethereum Classic is outperforming Ethereum. Well, duh, we know that. But on Binance, I think they have ETC ETH markets, so you could gain more Ethereum by trading Ethereum Classic. This is not going to stop anytime soon. Ethereum Classic is more bullish than Ethereum. It's because of the Coinbase news. I think it's a safe. If you have Ethereum, I think it's a safe spot to park your Ethereum. I mean, literally, I think this is where your Ethereum should be. You're essentially gaining Ethereum by owning Ethereum Classic at the moment. So, and it'll be a profitable trade. This is a straight up bull flag breakout. This is gonna be bad. What's gonna be bad? It's gonna be okay. Is what it's gonna be. It's always darkest before the storm. It's all gonna be all right. Your portfolios will be okay moving forward. Maybe not right now, but they will be okay. We'll get a greedy all season again. And the lower the shit goes, the higher it's going to bounce. So that's ETC. Shit's looking good. Safe space to put your money. Let's look at Ethereum. Actually, I want to see if this logarithmic trend broke. It hasn't broken yet. We actually have a bullish hammer off of that. So if you guys are looking for a trade, you could leverage Ethereum Bitcoin or just buy it with Bitcoin here, and then put a stop below, like 3 to 5x leverage, nothing huge, and then put a stop below 0.054 and see if you get stopped out or not. It won't be a big loss. Won't be a huge loss. Don't do a gigantic position, but I'll show you what I'm looking at. If you haven't watched my last 7 streams, this is this Ethereum growth channel. We haven't broken it yet, but every time it's bounced off this line, we've gotten a massive alt season. So hopefully we get it again. And I just don't want to break this because it's so predictable. It's so predictable, and I cherish the shit out of it. But RSI on the daily is at 25. We don't have a bull div or anything like that, but do we have a bull div on the 12-hour? Oh, this is a 3-day. I'm sorry, 3 days at 25. Okay. Yeah, 3 days at 25. I don't think the 3 days ever been at 25 on. Yeah, it has before. And look where, right here, right before it bounced, right there. So I'm expecting a bounce in ETH, guys, to be honest with you. And if ETH bounces, Alta goes psycho. ETH USD, right on this horizontal support. Let me delete that there, and I'll take it off log because it doesn't matter. I don't see any necessary trend lines or anything off log that matter here, like I do with linear. Okay, so you want this yellow line to hold. This is the previous market cycle, not this one, but the one before that, the all-time high when ETH ran up from nothing to $420. I'm a proud buyer of ETH at 20 bucks, but and I miss those days. I wish it would have held forever, but you know, you get into this game, you start trading, and it is what it is. I made 5x in like a month. It is, you know, how do you not take profits on that? But yeah, so you want it to hold this previous all-time high. If it doesn't, I think you can safely put bids for Ethereum around $385, 390 bucks. Even sprinkle some for a wick below, like even put it down to here for a wick. Like seriously, like 350. Okay? And see what happens. So, ETH USD is trying to hold strong. It's still sideways. We're still like trying to hold this level. 400 might hold again. We had a wick on a bullish hammer reversal there, and price went up to 506. But guys, ETH isn't dying, and if ETH doesn't die, alts aren't dying. Just don't worry. It's all going to be okay. Restless, thank you. Thank you for watching that episode. It was a great episode. Next week's is going to be good too, so I hope you can watch it. So, yeah, it's, you know, those are the areas you're going to want to put some bids in. Just to reiterate, like 385, 350, right around there. Start scaling in. And I would put more bids around 350 than I would at 385. Okay? Because averaging into it doesn't mean you have to go 50-50, or if you have 3 bids, you divide it by 3. You can go 25 at the top, 25 in the middle, and 50 at the bottom, right? In percentage, so that you have a more average down position than just meet in the middle between your prices. So I follow Michael, so I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it too. He seems like a really good guy, and I know he's bullish on alts and he's bullish on this space, and puts out a lot of really good content, and I'm excited to have him on. So, all right, that's Ethereum. We have your buy orders. You have even a trade on ETHBTC as well that you can make. Low risk, low reward, or low risk reward. Low risk, high reward. And guys, we're just looking for trade setups to offer us low risk and high reward. So at least a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Let's look at Litecoin. What y'all say? Litecoin has decoupled itself from Bitcoin. Sad, right? I had a Litecoin. There you go. That's my Litecoin chart. I was like, what? Ah, it's decoupled itself from Bitcoin. Sad. So, all right. I'm trying to see where I drew my fibs from. Okay. I have a trend-based Fibonacci extension from the all-time highs to the swing lows after that, to the swing highs after that. And if I make these trend lines a little bit bigger, you'll be able to see it. Trend line, there we go. And I'll make my level lines larger too. Can you guys see those numbers okay? Do I need to zoom in for you? Make sure you guys are watching on the highest resolution. I'm putting out 1080p 60 frames per second. So for me, it defaults to 480p on my YouTube. And I don't know if it does for you guys, but you guys can get a higher resolution. And I hope you can see those numbers and everything. I think past 3 episodes were great. I think guests add a lot to the podcast. I agree. He's crazy, though? What do you mean he's crazy? I'm crazy. Asada? Asada? You want carne asada? You like steak, Mahmoud? I like steak. But can you guys see everything okay? Or do I need to zoom in? 1 for I can see everything okay. 2 for zoom in the chat. Lively bunch we have here. Wild. You guys are a wild bunch. You wild, fam. I like staking. I like staking too. Alright, whatever. I guess I'll zoom in. 2. Zoom in. Alright. Mahmoud. Crypto Wolf can see. Mahmoud needs glasses. That's what it tells me. He raves or he's into techno music? Boom, boom. You got too many windows and windows. Boom, 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 boom. You guys like techno? Dunce, 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 dunce. Should I put techno in the background right now, guys? On I can't say her name. On the Amazon speaker? Should I put techno in the background? Because I'll fucking do it. There's actually somebody that... Alright, I'm not doing it. Alright, let's go. So, Litecoin. Looks like a bear flag, doesn't it? Something like that. And oftentimes, you know, it doesn't mean that it is a bear flag in a downtrend. Okay, yeah, it could be a bear flag. But, oh, you actually want that shit. All right, yeah. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but, boons, 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 boons. Somebody tweeted out a playlist last night. Bitcoin Bryson. Some tunes for your ears as you grind. Muramasa is incredible. One of my favorite shows I've ever seen. Listen on SoundCloud. And then we should be able to push this shit to Alexa. I don't know if we can. Shit, man. Alright, we'll look on... Hey, quit playing! You knock it off right now, young lady. Alright. We'll do it on Spotify. Spotify I can push to Alexa. Muramasa. How about playlists? Yeah, but will I get a copyright strike if I do this? I hope I won't get it. Dubstep. No, I'm not doing dubstep. I'll do techno. Playlist. Techno bunker. God, guys, I really hope I don't get a copyright strike. Alright, I'll get a copyright strike. I can't do that. Sorry. I don't know where to get generic ass music at. So, Litecoin looks like a little bit of a bear flag, but it's just struggle busting, and if it breaks 72.91, we're looking at 51.53. Yeah, not good. Not good at all. 51.53, guys, honestly. That's what we're probably looking at. We might even get 65, like, from this support. Everything gets you a strike. Well, yeah, how you gonna, how am I supposed to I guess I got a Twitch stream or something? Nobody uses Twitch for crypto. I'm trying to build a brand here. Damn it. The one thing that we do have going on in our favor on the 3-day on Litecoin is this RSI trend line that we can expect it to hopefully bounce from. And that would probably coincide with price bouncing from $73, $72.91. That's all I got for you guys. Let me see LTC BTC to see if there's a short that we can take. But like even shorting down here is like, ugh. No, but we can long it at 0.00957 at the macro 786. Because look what happened in the previous market cycle when we finally got to the macro 786. Holy moly! So you guys are going to get a free private group trade today and today only. Private group invites go out tomorrow, guys. www.noahsarkofcrypto.com. Best community literally in all of crypto, like no joke. And I don't know, was July profitable for you? Because it was for us. Even amongst all this blood. June was amazing though. June was like where it's at. I 2x my trading portfolio in June. All right, we are going to. Yeah, and then gosh, man, that should give us 33% profit to be honest on a wick. That's why I think alts are gonna bounce. Longing LTC BTC around the macro 0.786 fib retracement at 0.00957 ish is a really good idea. No, people overseas won't understand that, in my opinion. I need to put my moving averages on. Dumbass. First target, daily 20 EMA, wherever that is, it ends up, you can take some profits right before that. Second target, 0.0129 at the macro, 0.618. Fib retracement level. You have your marching orders. Get it done, soldiers. And a heart. What's good, Mike? Noah, which do you like better, Bitfinex or BitMax? BitMax. All right, there's a trade on LTC BTC. And since we have it on the stream, I might as well give it to the Telegram. And then Bart, get that out to Twitter, please. Hashtag them both. Hashtag LTC and BTC. Please, sweetheart. I'm never going to say please to you again because, Bart, I'm telling you right now, I will crush you. I'll crush you like a Stalin. I hope you're feeling better today. Only so I can whip the shit out you later. All right. Good stuff. Actually, I'm going to leave that on because I want to remember. And then we will set an alert. Alert. Less than. I'll crush you like a cockroach. You will eat my shit. I will break you like a West German wall. And Mr. Reagan said, Mr. Gorbachev, tear down that wall. And he break a wall like a gypsy. Hey, everybody, we should all celebrate Bart getting liquidated again. It's always a celebration around these parts when Bart gets liquidated. I'm kidding, Bart. You shouldn't have really lost money yesterday. If your risk management is where I've wanted it to be for a long time. You little shit. Oh, man. Okay, Cardano. Looks like we're going to try to double bottom off this 1700 sats line, and I told you guys yesterday that 1700 sats is next. You should have a counter days without liquidation, like right behind your... Right? like those businesses that have like days without an accident, but days without liquidation. You should have it right behind your desk. So we can see. Yeah, 1700 sats, and then we're looking at 1300 sats, guys, on Cardano. 1700 sats and 1300 sats. Did you hear me? Hello? Grandpa? Hello? All right. You guys ever call an old person on the phone? That's how they answer the phone. Hello? Who is this? I'm actually adding it to my Twitter bio. You are so funny, Bart. Bartoodles. All right. That's really quick on ADA. Let's look at ADA USDT. Yeah, that'll coincide with getting it down at like 13.5 cents. There you go. For a bounce. For a bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Are you holding ADA? I'm still holding it. Not happy about it, but it's going to bounce, so I'm not worried about it. ADA's all-time high is like, let's go to CoinMarketCap. Oh my gosh, somebody bought ADA at $1.15, $1.20. Wow. And yeah, like 17 cents. Like, yeah, I'm going to hold it for now. I might just average down, to be honest with you. I'm a big believer in the future potential of Cardano, especially if you've got potential Coinbase on its side. So, okay, that's Cardano. 13.5 cents, 1700 sats, and then 13. Wrong one. Yeah, dumbass. 1313. Okay? 1700 sats and then 1313. Props to making money in this market this year. I cannot read it worth shit. Haha. Thanks, man. Yeah, if you guys wanted to be stopped out of ADA, I told you last night, go ahead. I mean, the market on almost every alt moved against everybody. So, you know, that was a losing trade. But guess what? I'm a trader. I have losing trades. It happens. We lost money on 3 trades last month. We were stopped out in profit or break even on the rest of them. Like, what do you want me to say? Okay, I'm fucking sorry. It's just one of the ones I shared in the Telegram, and that. But look, it wasn't just ADA, right? You tell me an alt that didn't lose money other than, I mean, even ETC is down USD right now. It is what it is. So you lose 10%, 12%. It happens. You get it back. I'm going to hold. I want to take a look at Tron next. We'll do the next three will be Tron, Icon, and then VeChain. How many people do we have in here? Make sure I'm not boring you. 31. Neato, gang. If you like the video, hit a like. Okay? It's natural. And then subscribe because I'm going to start pushing out some content. We're going to make money together. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Bart said, guys, long ADA on BitMEX, please. It's about to get liquidated. I promise you, reward is immense. Bart, come on. Bart, you got to tell him you're joking. Okay? There's some new people in here. I'm going to have to literally crush you in real life. Okay, so Tron. So you have marching orders on every coin that we put out so far. All right. Tron is looking like shit. What's the daily RSI? Do we have a bullish divergence? We don't. We do. We do. We do. We do. Because you draw it from the closes. Because if you look at RSI, source, close. And that means candle close. There's your little nugget for the day. And then we have an RSI trend line that has it been touched yet? Has it been touched by an angel, baby? No, because I haven't touched it yet. All right, right on that RSI trend line. She better bounce. She better bounce. Not a bad spot to long some Tron with a tight stop. Where can you long Tron with a tight stop? BitMEX. You can do it on BitMEX. If you're in the United States, you will need a VPN to register. And that's the only time you need a VPN. And I actually have a video on that for you to watch on how to do it. How to do videos. Here you go. And in the description is a link to a free month of Viper VPN. Control Z, Control copy. And I'll put this link to the video in the description. And this is how to register for BitMEX if you're in the United States. Congratulations. I didn't share that with you. I'm not responsible for your liquidation. Now looking at longing it here, your stop would be below, my brother below, 410 on a daily close. Okay? Got it? Aight? You should always use a VPN anyway. Correct. I use my phone on VPN. I use my computer on VPN, especially when I'm in public. A nice thing about Viper after you get a free month, but also Viper is on Android and iPhone, and it works really well and it's super easy to use. And its throughput's really fast, and they have some really good technology with it, and they keep updating it. Like, it's my favorite VPN, but there's a link to a free month, which is good for you. So there's your marching orders on Tron. You can long it, no more than 3x leverage. Stop on a daily close with below 410 sats. We're running the RSI trend line. Good luck, kids. That's a risk reward setup I'm willing to take. Don't take a huge position. Okay? Tron is not a market leader. When Tron goes up, the rest of the market doesn't go up. You're just bet a little bit on Tron and see what happens. Okay, let's look at Icon. Daily RSI at 21. Also going to bounce hard, guys. 3-day RSI at 26.53. This is ridiculous. It's getting ridiculous. It's getting ridiculous. What the fuck? I know it's not an Ask Me Anything session, but when did you start your crypto career, Noah? I started my crypto career early 2017. So it's been over a year and a half now. But I put about 4 years of work into the year and a half. I outwork people in this space, like straight up. When I'm not charting, when I'm not chatting or charting, I'm studying. I'm studying like a mofo. I study the shit out of Reddit, fundamentals, read white papers, check message boards, check telegrams, look at CoinMarketCap, look at GitHubs, I look at LinkedIn for dev teams. And I do this, I've been doing this 12 plus hours a day for a year and a half. So, plus. I mean, there's a lot of 18-hour days in there. So, these calls going to be posted on Discord. Yeah, Bart's going to make sure of it. I mean, Bart has the spreadsheet. We'll figure it out. I might give somebody a free membership to write down my calls and post them in the Discord. I don't want to kill Bart. So yeah, that's Tron Icon. Guys, I've told you 15.5K. If it doesn't hold, we're looking at 11.7K. Okay? But it's going to bounce really fucking hard soon. Really fucking hard soon. I promise you. I like it's going to happen. I can show you a million charts that bounce right after shit like this. Does it make sense? No. If it doesn't make sense, does it last? No. The prevalent volume on this chart, it all leans to the bulls. Okay? It all leans to the bulls. The 20 highest volume candles, I'd say 18 of them go to the bulls. Just, this is really low volume selling. Really low volume selling. It's not significant yet, but that's a bull div. Okay? Lower low on price from the closes, higher low on oscillator. RSI on the daily at 21. Really low volume on this last sell-off. Put some orders at 11.7K and re-fucking lax. Okay? I've told you guys, staking is coming to Icon. This second half of this year, they're accelerating how much they're putting out and like what they're doing. There's so much coming to this project. Just relax, like please. And we all know Icon is, always 2 minutes away from posting another ridiculous partnership that will pump the price like a moaf. So relax. It's alright. Everything will be alright. You know what I'm saying? It's like Christopher Walken says, everything's gonna be alright. Hey, why'd you buy Icon? VeChain. Wow, that's nice. You put a stop below 300 sats on a daily close if you're in. The airdrop happens today. But they are going to be turning on nodes again. And let me look at the Reddit and see if there's any updated news on when that'll be. Reddit is don't fall for the people on Reddit who are pissed off because their bags are down and like they're crying and saying the project's a scam or something like that. It's dumb. Yeah, when is that snapshot for VeChain? 9 hours. So I need to get get your VeChain into Binance by then, and then just put it back on the wallet if you're gonna hold it. Awesome. I should share this with the private group. Announcements. VET VTHO airdrop in Binance countdown 9.5 hours from now, so make sure to get your VET into Binance by then. And I should probably share that with Telegram. Bart, can you put this out to Twitter with cash tags on VET and VTHO, please? Thank you. All right. Yeah. So if you don't want to hold this, stop below 299 sats, I'd say, on a daily close. Daily close is at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. Yeah, I think you have to have a certain amount. I'm not sure. Binance VTHO airdrop. Celebrate launch of VeChain mainnet. The VET team has provided 100 million VTHOR tokens to be airdropped to all Binance users holding VeChain. And guys, VTHOR is more expensive than VeChain. The 100 million VTHOR will be split between all users holding VET. The amount of VTHOR airdropped to each VET holder would be correspond to the percentage holding of the total VET balance held by all Binance users at the time of the snapshot. VeChain balances under 1 VeChain will not be eligible for the airdrop. Distribution will be completed before 8/5, so August 5th. So there you go. All right, marching orders on VeChain. There's really nothing else to do right now. I wouldn't be buying unless you're a long-term holder. Let's look at 0x. 0x. Damn it, this is good shit. My Dawson's Creek mug. It looks like a Head and Shoulders. But we do have a flattening 200 moving average on the daily. You could put some bids around there. 128K. Actually, I'd just say stay out. I was liking it more yesterday. I'm not liking it now. Stay out. I don't think it's worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. My gut tells me it's not worth it. Unless you're a long-term holder. This probably isn't a terrible spot to grab some. But what's the 3-day say? This isn't bottomed out like other charts, guys. That's why. 128K is a 50 moving average on the 3-day, and 128K is a 200 moving average on the daily. So you could put orders at 128K. Okay. Okay. But know your risk management and know that you'll be stopped out on a daily close below 121K. EOS. I've had a trade for a long time in EOS, but I canceled it last night, 91K, and I'm not sure if I should have done that or not, because that's the macro 886 or 786. This is my EOS chart, and I should flag that so I know which one's which. Right here. But it still looks like it's got room to go down, so like 72,500 sats is where I'd be more likely to buy some EOS. Otherwise, I'm cool. I'm gonna sit out for a minute. What's the daily RSI? I'm sorry. Daily RSI is at 23, but there is no bull div. You could buy some around here and put a stop below 90K on a daily close. Okay, but otherwise, I'd try for 72,500 sats. All right, lumens. I mean, some of these charts are cut and dry, guys. It's trying to hold the 50 moving average on the daily. is this RSI trend line. All right, this was a bull div, so I won't. It did lead to the rise, though. I'm always conflicted on if I should draw RSI trend lines from the beginning of bull divs because price doesn't correspond with those. But if you subscribe to that theory, this would be a good spot to buy it. You know, you're on the RSI trend line, you're on the 50 moving average of the daily. So many alts look ready to bounce, or locally near bounce zones. Yeah, you could buy some lumens here. Just looks double toppy right there, though. What does the 3-day say? 12-hour? It's not a lot of bearish volume on the sell-off. Yeah, you could definitely buy some. And then your daily or your stop would be one of two places: below 3,300 sats on the daily close, or 3,000 sats, depending on your risk tolerance. So do you want to lose? Are you cool with losing 15%, or would you rather just lose 3%? It's up to you. What's up, Koo? No, you missed nothing, man. I've only been streaming for an hour and a half. An hour, excuse me. You've missed absolutely nothing. I'm kidding. I have to go back and watch, but glad to have you in here, Q. All right, Polymath. I think it was just added to Binance. Yes, it was. Who didn't see that coming? But we'll look at Bittrex as it has the most price history. Wow, did this just dump like crazy? Wow, got up to 7,500. Okay, so I need to zoom into the hourly. Because somebody's not telling me the whole story here, damn it. Fucking buy some. If you can, around 47.80 sats, but buy some freaking Polymath. Excuse me while I buy some Polymath real quick. I'm going to put my, alright, I'm going to go on a Binance. You guys can't see. I don't believe that you can see me. That's a low volume sell-off of a huge volume spike. Fucking buy that shit. Buying Poly right now on Binance. Below 5,200 sats. I'll just tell my group. Let me log in real quick. You guys cannot see me. Sorry, I got to do what I got to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm buying this shit for a bounce. I'm going to make fucking 20, 30% off this ASAP. ASAP Rocky. If you can beat me to it, I'm not even logged in. I don't stay logged into Binance. Nah, okay. No, yes, all right. Let's buy some Polymath. What do you guys say, huh? Eh? What do you say, bruh? Come on. Damn it. He shared my password. How dare you? Asada. Dude. Come on. Alright. Yo. Let's go. Okay. Come here, baby. Bang! Let me buy some more. 50-50. Bang! Yeah. Oh, somebody front ran my level, you dick. Let's buy some more. How much do we want to buy? Let's buy. All right, I just bought 45,000 poly. Whoops. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, bro. Sue me. Oh, I need to put in a sell order. Let's sell it around 54. Wait, let me go to the 4 hour. Oh my god, this is hilarious. It's gonna be the best trade we've made in a while. Holy moly, what a joke. 5,500 should be easy money. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. I'm gonna pay my dog's tuition with that. Shouldn't be that easy. 5,100 sats. All right, that's Paulie. So, guys, I didn't tell everybody this, but I'm gonna give away right now 1 month to the private group. 1 free month to the private group I'm giving away right now. Okay? But you have to like this video and you got to subscribe on YouTube. You have to be subscribed or else I will revoke your status. All right? So, how are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? I'm going to name fundamentals on a coin. And the first person to get it gets a free month to the private group. If you're already a member, you'll get next month free. All right, here we go. How many people we got in here? We're gonna get here. We're gonna give it a minute, and I gotta think of a coin. No need to put this on Twitter. Giving away a free month of private group now. You can still win. All right, we'll give it a couple minutes. I'm gonna think of a coin. All right, and you assholes. I'm kidding. You guys aren't assholes. You guys are my friends. You're my friends. Are gonna tell me what coin it is. Now, I'm gonna type the rules in order to be eligible. Oh, did I pause that? Dummy butt. In order to be eligible to win the free private group month giveaway, you must. This is the 10 minutes at the end of the video, you dick. You must like, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, the more coins you guess right now, before I even give you criteria, the harder this is going to be. Because if you want to take away, all right, you've already taken away Tron, you've taken away Verge, you've taken away Ethereum Classic, you've taken away VeChain. Okay? So, I mean, trust me, I can get dirty with the fundamentals of coins for you, and let you see what's really going on in these parts. So, I'd rather keep it nice. Let's look at CoinMarketCap. You guys can't see my screen, so you can't see what coins I'm looking at. I'm gonna pick myself a nice video. All right, so you have to like the video, you have to be subscribed to me, okay? And I'm gonna check. So let's find myself a nice. My brother's messaging me telling me I look fat. Well, that's fucked up. Okay, I'm not as fat as you, dick. All right, so oh, we got a lot of good ones here. Bart quits the contest. Yeah, Bart, you gotta pay me for next month. I'm done with this shit. A lot of good ones. Let me find a real good one though. Let me find a real good one here. Because I want to make this not the easiest thing in the world. Okay, you guys ready? You guys ready? Here we go. This coin is a privacy coin. This coin is a fork of a very well-known privacy coin. This coin uses ring signatures for its privacy. We have a winner. And the winner is... Dun, dun, dun. I'm going to give away a second one, I think. Let me think about it. But we do have a winner. And the winner is... Adrian JJ with... Sumo Coin. It's a fork of Monero. It's got 13 ring signatures. It's got more than Monero. And yeah, congratulations, Adrian. DM me on Telegram if you can. All right, let's give away another. We'll do one more. We'll do one more. You'll get a free month, and if you like it, and you want to stay, that's up to you. If you don't want to, you got a free month. You'll see what it's all about. All right. So, let me do this again. You cannot see me.
You'll never see me, Gypsy. Do you understand? I will break you.
Let's do a platform coin this time. Do not start guessing. Great job, Adrian. All right. We're going to do a platform coin, but don't you dare be an asshole. And start guessing. If you guess before I say this coin, you're not eligible. Okay? All right. Excuse me. This coin is working to be able to link various competing blockchain networks together to bridge the gap between them. AKA interoperable. This coin is delegated proof of stake. No, Steven, it's not Tether. Delegated proof of stake. We got a winner already. Goodness gracious, you savages. You savages. We got a winner. But you have to be liked and subscribed. And what else did you guys expect? This is Noah's Ark of crypto. Congratulations, Michael R. You are a winner, buddy. It's actually the first real guess. I'm proud of you. You probably Googled what I said. But, yeah, man, Michael R. DM me. I'll get you a free month. Congratulations. But yeah, guys, I'm going to be putting out more content. I might do an Ask Me Anything session tomorrow. So yeah, this was fun. You guys have your marching orders. If you didn't get to watch it, go back and watch the video. You know, you can watch it at 1.25 or 1.5x speed so to get through the video fastest. Come on, you know I had to go with Ark, right? You know I had to. So otherwise, if you didn't get into the private group for free, I gave 2 away. I can't give more. That's fine. Join anyway. Invites go out tomorrow. There's limited room left. I'm really excited for August. We were profitable in June, profitable in July, and the rest of the market can't say the same. So not only that, but the community, guys, is phenomenal. The way we curate content, put it together, the way we answer questions for everybody. It's not just me working hard in there. A lot of good, knowledgeable people who care. And that's the big thing about Noah's Ark of Crypto, guys. We actually give a shit about you. So come join. Try it out for a month. It'll never be cheaper US dollar value, that's for sure. I won't make it cheaper. And when the market bounces, price is going up. So just because there's limited spots. And I care about the quality of the content in there. And I don't want it saturated just so I can make more money. It's just not how it works. So, yeah, noahsarkcrypto.com. guys. I hope you can join. Make sure you subscribe to me. Make sure you like this video. Be on the lookout for tomorrow's content. I do believe I'm going to do an Ask Me Anything session for like 45 minutes to an hour, or until it slows down. Yeah, and I really appreciate you guys. Honestly, I really appreciate you guys' support. It means everything. So come on back. Next time I'm around, it'll probably be tomorrow. Probably tomorrow morning. But for now, I got shit I got to do. I have to go work out a little bit. And yeah, Paulie's not going the right way. Hello? No, it'll bounce. It'll bounce shortly. And you can buy Paulie now and then try to sell it around 5,500 on a bounce. It'll bounce. I ain't worried about that. Damn, I'm salty, LOL, but I'm a long-term member. Hey, man, I didn't play favorites to anybody. It's just naming coins and whoever says it first, you know? So, sorry about that, brother. I'm so happy to have you around. So, yeah, I'm going to get going, guys. I love you. You know it. You know I love you. And I will catch you on the flip side. As Cryptos says on YouTube. Peace.